Hello and welcome. Today, we will conclude our series on the essentials of personal finance, inspired by the guide, Personal Finance for Beginners, which serves as your essential roadmap to financial freedom. It offers straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing, and building wealth. Before I explain each section, I would like to ask you to like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. These videos are designed to help you achieve your personal financial goals, build wealth, and lead a fulfilling life. Now, let's dive in. Your journey begins. Achieving financial independence is a journey that requires intention, planning, and the right tools. Throughout our exploration of this path, we've uncovered a wealth of strategies and resources designed to empower you on your quest to secure your financial future. From understanding the crucial need to identify and avoid financial scams to recognizing the importance of setting milestones and tracking your progress, each element plays a pivotal role in your overall financial well-being. As we have discussed, the first step toward financial freedom begins with a proactive mindset. By acknowledging the various types of financial traps that exist and taking protective measures, such as employing robust budgeting techniques and verifying the sources of information, you can safeguard your hard-earned wealth. Additionally, being aware of the warning signs of scams, like phishing emails and investment schemes, is crucial in protecting yourself from potential financial loss. Once you establish a solid foundation, setting clear, achievable financial milestones allows you to create a structured action plan. By breaking down your overarching goals into manageable steps, you can maintain motivation and celebrate each accomplishment along the way. For instance, deciding to save a specific amount for a home or aggressively pay down debts can provide you with both direction and a sense of control over your finances. Remember, progress does not have to be monumental. Even small victories can ignite a sense of achievement that fuels your ambition. Equally important is the need for flexibility in your financial strategy. Life is unpredictable, and events such as job changes or family growth can significantly impact your financial situation. Thus, regularly adjusting your plan in response to these changes ensures that you stay on the path to achieving your financial goals. Embracing the ability to pivot and reassess your priorities will not only keep you grounded but also empower you to maintain forward momentum. Additionally, utilizing resources and tools can make a substantial difference in your financial journey. By engaging with budgeting apps like Anab or Mint, you can take control of your spending and savings strategies. Investing apps such as Robinhood and Acorn simplify the process of growing your wealth, allowing you to engage with financial markets even if you're just starting. Further, seeking professional advice from financial planners or leveraging online platforms can provide valuable insights tailored to your unique situation, ensuring that you make informed decisions every step of the way. Moreover, educational resources such as books, podcasts, and websites have provided you with a wealth of knowledge to enrich your financial understanding. The insights garnered from literary classics like The Total Money Makeover or listening to podcasts like Choose FI can ignite inspiration and encourage you to take ownership of your financial future. As you immerse yourself in this wealth of information, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate the complexities of personal finance. In conclusion, embarking on the journey towards financial independence requires not only practical strategies and tools but also a mindset geared toward growth and resilience. By remaining vigilant against financial pitfalls, setting clear milestones, adjusting your plans as life unfolds, and utilizing the plethora of available resources, you can build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. This path is not merely about accumulating wealth, it is about fostering confidence, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. So, take that first step today. Empower yourself, invest in your financial education, and do not hesitate to reach out for guidance when needed. As you move forward with determination and clarity, financial independence will not just be a dream, it will transform into your reality, opening doors to possibilities you may have never considered. Your financial freedom is within reach, all it takes is the courage to begin. Please take a moment to check out these guides by the same author, Zabi Aslamzada, available on Amazon. Personal Finance for Beginners, an essential roadmap to financial freedom, offering straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing, and building wealth. 10 powerful yoga styles to enhance health, boost vitality, and support longevity. Transform your life, the ultimate meditation journey to inner peace and empowerment. The path to wellness, yoga and meditation as foundations for health and longevity. These guides are designed to provide valuable insights and practical tools to help you achieve health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with friends and family.